Entering the world of cryptocurrency investing is like stepping into a new adventure. First off, you need to know about digital currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are like online money that isn't controlled by any government. The trick is, they use something called blockchain, a kind of super secure online ledger. How do you keep your digital money safe with all these new things around? In this video, we're delving into the cryptocurrency universe, making it all clear and simple. We'll explore what crypto is, the different kinds out there, what you should think about before diving in, and most importantly, a step-by-step guide to kick off your crypto investment adventure. It's like having a conversation with a knowledgeable friend who's got your back and wants to help you understand this exciting world without any confusion. So get ready to embark on this crypto journey with us, where we break down the complexities and make it as easy as discussing your favorite topic with a buddy. Let's dive in and make your crypto investment journey a breeze. Understanding cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is like digital money, not something you can hold in your hand. It's different from regular money because no government or bank controls it. Instead, it uses something called blockchain to make transactions safe and secure. Picture it as a modern way of dealing with money, but it's all happening online. Now, here's the interesting part. Some people see it as a way to invest their money. They buy cryptocurrencies, hoping the value will go up and they'll make a profit. It's not just about using money. It's about the chance for your money to grow. This isn't just a new kind of money. It's a whole new idea about how money and investments work. Chuang Tai Di Duan. Types of cryptocurrencies. There are over 26,000 types of cryptocurrencies globally, with Bitcoin as the pioneer. The top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap in November 2023 include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, XRP, BNB, USDC, Dogecoin, Cardano, Solana, and Ethereum. Each has its own profile and risk factor, demanding thorough research before investment. Factors to consider before investing: cryptocurrencies' volatility, regulatory ambiguity, and susceptibility to scams pose risks. Think of it like navigating a roller coaster where the ride can be quite unpredictable. The reason is that cryptocurrency doesn't follow the same rules as regular money, making it more susceptible to sudden changes. Now, here's the tricky part. There are risks involved, such as the potential for falling victim to scams. So, before you jump into the world of cryptocurrency, it's crucial to understand why you want to invest and to have a plan in place, almost like charting your course before embarking on a journey. On the human side of things, if you're considering investing, consider playing the long game. That means looking beyond the ups and downs, having a strategy that aligns with your investment goals, and navigating the uncertainties with a steady approach, steering clear of impulsive decisions driven by emotions. Is cryptocurrency a good investment? Deciding if crypto is a good investment is like choosing the right game to play. It depends on what you enjoy. Think about things like how comfortable you are with taking risks, spreading out your investments, and figuring out how much of your total investments you want in crypto. It's not just about following the latest trend. It's about what suits you best. Now, here's the tricky part. The value of crypto can go up and down a lot and pretty quickly. It's like walking a path with some surprises. That's why it's essential to think it through. It's not just about numbers. It's about understanding yourself, your preferences, and making choices that match your financial goals. This isn't just about money. It's a bit like picking a game that fits your style, considering your comfort with risks, and making sure your investments fit into your overall financial plan. How much to invest in cryptocurrency? Experts recommend allocating 1% to 5% of your net worth to crypto to limit exposure. Diversification within the crypto market and considering the risk associated with various cryptocurrencies are vital for an optimal investment strategy. Steps to invest in cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency is similar to starting a new adventure. Exciting, but with a few simple steps to follow. First, pick a reliable platform to get your cryptocurrencies, choosing a guide for your journey. Next, you'll need a digital wallet, a secure backpack for your cryptocurrencies, your personal treasure chest. Now, the part that involves feelings. Decide how much money to invest, similar to deciding your snack budget for a trip. Diversify your investments, spreading them across different cryptocurrencies, like having various snacks in your bag for options. Finally, keep an eye on the market, much like checking the weather during your adventure. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's stormy, but staying informed helps you navigate. Remember, investing is a journey, not a race, and each step should feel right for you. Choose a cryptocurrency. Choosing a cryptocurrency is a bit like picking a pet. You want to know all about them before deciding. Take your time to understand each cryptocurrency's unique features, kind of like getting to know a potential furry friend's personality. Check out their track record, see how they've done in the past, similar to checking if a pet has a good health history. Look into the community around the cryptocurrency, like meeting the people who care for the pet you're interested in. And here's the human side. Think about how this choice fits into your life, much like considering how a pet would fit into your home. Is it right for your goals and values? Remember, this decision is personal, like choosing a pet that suits your lifestyle. So as you explore cryptocurrencies, think of it as picking a digital companion that aligns with your preferences and financial goals. Select a cryptocurrency exchange. When it comes to choosing a cryptocurrency exchange, think of it like picking a safe place for your valuable belongings. Consider factors such as security. You want the exchange to be like a trustworthy vault. Check the fees. It's a bit like knowing the cost of storing your items. Look at the variety of cryptocurrencies offered, much like the different items you might want to store. Now let's talk about storage options. Deciding between a digital wallet and physical hardware is a bit like choosing between a digital safe or a physical safe at home. Think about what feels more secure for you. It's a personal choice, similar to how you decide where to keep your most treasured possessions. Decide the investment amount. Deciding how much to invest in cryptocurrency is like planning for a special occasion. Just check your budget. Think about how much excitement you can handle and understand the costs involved. When managing your investments, focus on the long term and make sure it fits into your overall plans. It's a personal decision, similar to deciding how this investment contributes to your financial journey. So as you navigate the world of investment amounts and managing your crypto investments, think of it as preparing for a special event where each decision adds value and aligns with your financial goals. Manage investments. Using a long-term approach for your investments and making sure they fit with your strategy and goals is a bit like building a strong house. It's about setting up a foundation that lasts a long time, just like planning for the future. Making sure everything aligns with your strategy and goals is similar to picking the right materials for construction, ensuring everything fits together well. And think of it emotionally, like arranging things in your house to make you feel happy and comfortable. It's a personal journey, just like creating a home that suits your style and values. Tips before investing. Understanding capital gains tax and the potential for short-term investment in cryptocurrency is like knowing the rules before playing a game. It's important to be aware of how your crypto investments might affect your finances, especially because the crypto market can change quickly. Choose a good platform like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Think of them as reliable guides. Once you decide, buying crypto is like getting the things you need for your journey. You pick what you want. Storing your crypto in a wallet, whether it's digital or physical, is like keeping your stuff safe for the trip. And there you have it, the comprehensive beginner's guide to cryptocurrency investing. Remember, careful research, long-term strategy, and risk management are key to navigating the dynamic world of crypto investments. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of cryptocurrency investing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on financial investments. Until next time, happy investing!